For some of us who are facing problems solving rate of change question, I believe the reason is that you have been making use of this equation. This is a very useful equation. This was that equation that has helped us to solve a lot of rate of change questions since our secondary school, but this is also an equation that comes with limitations. And it is precisely these limitations that prevent us from doing the more complicated questions that we are now facing at A-levels. So let us take a look at what are these potential limitations, and I'm going to do that by making use of this more complicated question. And I want to solve this question by using this equation, and I'm going to show you that it is possible, but there will be limitations, there will be struggles along the way. And after we have managed to finish solving this, I want to show you how I will solve this again, and we can actually apply certain processes that we have learned in our A-levels that will help us to solve this kind of question one more time, but then with a lot of ease. So let's take a look at how we can solve this question. First of all, we want to find a relationship between h and r that is given to us according to the question, where h is the height of the cone and r is the base radius of the cone, and this cone resides within the sphere. And according to this question, this sphere that we are looking at has a diameter of 50, which means that the radius, which is from here to here, is going to be equal to 25. And to form this relationship between h and r, I'm going to actually make use of this right-angled triangle over here. This is geometry. We are yet to do some rate of change. So according to geometry, if I were to connect this to this, first of all, this is the radius of the sphere. So this distance here is 25. And because I have a right-angled triangle, so it allows us to bring in the idea of Pythagoras theorem. This length is r, the hypotenuse is 25. And since here to here is 25, here to here is h, which means that this distance